This is the B450M-A Pro Max from MSI. So let's get it out the box and let's have a look. So in the box you get the motherboard itself, 2 SATA cables for connecting SATA hard drives and SSDs to the board, a silver I/O shield, an MSI Dragon logo sticker to pimp up your case, a driver's DVD, a screw to mount an M.2 drive into the board, a thank you note reminding you to register with MSI, and a quick install guide. I noticed that with this board you don't get a full printed manual, but you can either find this on the DVD or more likely online at MSI's website. So, looking at the motherboard itself. The AM4 socket supports 1st, 2nd and 3rd generation Ryzen CPUs and APUs. This is part of the Max range from MSI, meaning that it's already Ryzen 3000 ready, so you don't need to update the BIOS on it.